2005. Am I the only person who is feeling this heat, or it is normal? If you have any experience with it, just let me know, because for me, I don't think it is normal. From 800 cedis to 2005, the jump is too much.
Okay, so I say I don't think it is normal. The jump is too much, but it's normal. Into endure. Wadaruma, it's normal, so endure. Mahama promise say a nioma besisa, and a nioma no esisa. A man say unimu se nioma besisa. Serewa it's normal. Why wadama? We a kahon. The entire kotu abano na a kahon say nebeye. Now, anybody come on be afa a year IGP to you know a home. Na and also a ho. You best didn't come afa domahine any a year. Santa Hinen Tokwa over the period. He keeps on instigating conversation which is enya akono enyehwam. But mira domahine ekoswa a year, but we will educate the masses. Me won say me nua sentence ba for express concern. Social media say we should try not to comment on the Mahini issue because it will affect MPP. Sentence, first of all, this platform, it does not serve the interest of NPP alone. You can put it down on record. This platform serves the interest of major other things. It serves the interest of the Republic Ghana itself. It serves the interest of Asantumai. It serves the interest of NPP. It serves the interest of every Ghanaian. So it's a conversation because of national. That's our conversation. We need to posit it in the right position. We will as well add our voices, except that this time around, we will try as much as we can to be very decorous in our choice of words, just so we will get our message across without having to offend anybody. But even in the course of offending people, if no crane be offending Krofua, and yeah, we are sorry, we will keep on offending people. Because yet we know Senye ye kakwasia abua anebe offended. Na se no kure na ye kenti obey offended. I am so sorry. I don't know which other way I can help you. I will say it the way it is, without fear, without favor. It is as simple as A, B, C, and D. So sentence, the kind yate. But I'm sorry. We need to have conversations the right way without having to compromise on anything. With that said, and I know last time I show, I made commentaries about comments biana Penyah Samia Ukwaye, and a lot of people within our party were not happy with me talking about Samia Uku's commentary. First of all, mene Kwabena Uku ni problem here. You get that very clear. Kwabena Uku is my very good friend and a brother. So I wasn't talking about Kwabena Uku. I wasn't talking about Sami. I was making commentaries about Adia Wakaya Megwe said it has the tendency of undermining the effort the flag bearer is making. If Kwabena Uku is not happy with it, he can call me and tell you his peace of mind. But I could have equally just called him as well and tell him my peace of mind. If it's a I wanted that conversation to be had in public, just so obi who say video no obetia da say afi watia da no. Sa person ni be hu so there be yemu bi yamfoa such commentaries so. In any case, me wie ye na mesa board Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia a video I will no kase or bring everybody on board for us to move. So if I had any diabolic intention, rather than say making sure say may encourage every other person. Me born anasafo kantanka what we am wasidi. Anasafo kantanka ordinarily in can a full party, no. If you say he has been sidelined, although a former chairman of the MPP in the Fijasechiri East, but he was sidelined in the past 8 years. But the mere fact that me born anasafo kantanka di. He is happy. He is coming on board. It's a we are going to see a party, a party, ye besoso niama bebreso ni ashe ne se kakuni momonia ene bibi jijemo ye nhye party ni se kakuni momonia ebisi yamfa nkwa ya benkwan se bibi ekona se ankoya, we will say it as it is, without fear, without favor. It does not mean that we have any ulterior motive. If it's our commentaries now, Samia Oku making or making it before the election. If I wanted to cause any disaffection for Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia, I would have made those commentaries before the election. I intentionally chose not to do so. I waited for the election to be over because my intention was not to create any disaffection for anyone. Eti enya ba Samia Oku, me nsuro Samia Oku, Samia mi amenua, be pese me kama adwe kire me fafo akama adwe kire no. So let's move on. Enye bibia. What I said is that what Samia said, it has the tendency of being misinterpreted for other people to be discouraged. Eti ye move away. Na ayi jollof ne ho ahwan a mboki kama adwene. Me de bomba latini o, woke kama adwene ensesa hwe. E bi se me kama adwene. It is obi kana adwene menua boyo ne ho ahwan se mo kama adwene. Mantie de. Mantie if is a mo no mepem asem. It is obi kana adwene aye normal. Obi ankeka de opeso okabi. And that is what the beauty of democracy is. Okabi kire ma kabi a kire wo. What you say? Aha, there's that nkomo no mo de ko baabi na ekotrega ne ade dia. Ene ne adino wrong. Baabi a yedo no so your family back. Me pese e bedi nkomo no, now we go after each other. I don't believe in that. I believe in some making commentaries about Samia Oku and even about Sami himself, about Nyama Okaye. If you have any counter argument to that, you make mention of that. O coffee for Nyama Hunubiba, now sometimes you will be a tepe to the other side. I hear Yenina, the NY say, Yampenesa, what it? Me traitor, no kura mekaya, mwen TNT, and an abedu baby a one. You're too abani, Samia Oku send me message. I am the king in the gap. Yenta metimi gina muma MPP and MPP ni peja mu nyina amokon adosam besa abekon ama no eye because of the integrity I held when we were in power. It is because of the things I was able to do and say when we were in power. That is why I could get the trust of the people to be able to hold us down when we finished with the election and mumbe bregani gane. Mumbe bregani gane yani because you couldn't get the trust of the people. And yama ya ka ya no na mo se anu nti ne ye traitor no obi anya traitor no kura na ne ye hwe mo aka kire mo anu mo anti all of a sudden mo pese ye share party no ye chuku ye share party ne tachu ye nse ne sa me dem believe in that. In as much as I believe that moving forward, conversations can be had without any of these acrimony. No, it does not mean see a ma party will be a yodope. Ni akin anu atum enya no kore enne enya no kore china. Na se bi mi aminu asa mi okukura mitimi de keka no a obi foforo be na be ya mitimi fanka no. So I don't have anything against Same. Same is my brother in good standing. We are not fighting nothing. If menene nyadwene on the commentaries, I will pass comment on the commentaries, not because I hate Same. Why will I hate Same? Why am I there? Onya me hwe. Eti ye move away. I was integrity by insulting Bawumia and calling. Like I said, some of the things I said against Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia could have been said in a much more better way. But is that not what growth is? Not because what I was saying was wrong. Who could try cake? E-levy cake any day, anytime. I will fight against it. E-levy cake any day, anytime. I will fight against it. Except that this time around, maybe the choice of words will be way different. You move on. Why? Sometimes you sound bitter. I'm not bitter about anything, my sister. I am not bitter, and I cannot be bitter about anything. If you say to a bomba la train boy, me that form. I am not bitter about anything. You move on. We have a fight to go. In Tokwa bebre ho we dey. Yeah, the Kenyan microphone na wo mo atiada because of omo nyini say Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia wo. And doctor is doing fantastically well. And I said Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia ne atakene the picture. It means he is willing to do the work, the real work. What I say? Auntie, move away. Yeah, party. It does not mean that bibi obi abeka bi esi ye nyina ye gitum. Ye nyina ntimi nyintum say nye zombies. I am not a zombie. I have a brain. I can speak. What you say? I'm not bitter about it. But except the ideals and the principles on which the party was formed, if it's not being adhered to, some of us we will fight. It Mr. Minchini Minubia. Ebreko and Nimnipe nyini. And your money be a mecha, wrap it around, come back. I will say the same thing, except that I will say it differently. You move on that, Yanku. Yani and this for Enko. Also, you should have commented on Ken's insult also. I mean that, yes, I commented on Ken's insult. That means you didn't listen. And in any case, man campaign ma Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia. For one reason. Let's move on, okay? Mum, you movie on. I don't have anything against any of our brothers. Now, yeah, movie on. No, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. IGP Christian Tetenyonu. Okay, Asiama Mwakosa, I am Samia Oku's fan, but what he said, I didn't like to. 1, 2, 3. Do you have a problem with Ghana Jollof? No, I don't. He's my sister. I don't even know him. I mean, I don't know her, whether him or her. I don't know her. But I believe we share the same interest. Maybe I will not just say me attacking MPP. I am not attacking MPP. Neither am I attacking anybody within the MPP. I'm attacking things I believe will destroy us. Let's move on. 1, 2, 3. See, I could have called Samia Oku and discussed with him privately. Yes, I intentionally discussed those things in the public, just so Omo Matiada, because of such commentaries, will know that some of us will not entertain that in the party. Ebe Kenya Omo be Kenya ho. So it's not about me Same commentary I betimi have. Me say be predu asam me nsuro Samia Oku. Me ana me nuano me nsuro no. Betimi afafo. Wo NL ya nsamo ba ye wo ho. Me ana mfa phone am friend am blasting in ye kwatran se. Me ne wono ene gari ni makon ye solve say NL problem no. So me nsuro Same. I personally intended to have that conversation in the public for one purpose, to encourage other people to come and let's move. Why? Obia to me put interpretation. We cannot satisfy everybody. Or say your commentaries were anti-Baumia. No, I'm not anti-Baumia. In the past, certain things I might have said will seem as such. I'm not anti-Baumia. Now you move on. IGP Christian Tetenyonu. What is going on within the police service? IGP, we are going to stop the pretense. We are going to stop the sugarcoating. We will call it as it is. And they about told you say IGP Christian Tetenyonu and no say or the integrity service with integrity. Ghana police nakosono. There is some family promotion cartel IGP way running in office. TNA. IGP has turned the police service into a family business as it stands now. Within the last few days, few weeks, there has been several promotions done by the IGP, and we have intercepted some police for BB friend wireless. You intercepted some wireless B. As our wireless message, you be ready amohunu. IGP from 20th and 30th of January. The IGP issued multiple wireless messages, all promoting on Nkansah, which is signed, and we are going to show you the wireless message, which is signed by the IGP himself, all promoting Kwaku. Now, you share a wireless message way. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Also focus on your message and reduce the reading of comment. Abdul, we are focusing. Move on. Move with me, Abdul. You need a problem here with Obia betimi share no. Okay, so you share wireless message, which is 20th of January 2026. 20th of January 2026. IGP Christian Tetenyonu essay o promoti eye enkrofo na yen ready wireless no yen ready yen hwe ade. I say for exhibit, okay, you move on. All regional commanders and headquarters, all POMA members. Now, already I'll say special recommendation for exhibiting exceptional commitment, dedication to duty and undermentioned, okay, to duty. The undermentioned sergeant is promoted to the rank of an inspector with 2 incremental credits effective January 1st, 2026. Now, why you are promoting what? You are promoting Esther Dede Yowonu. Esther Dede Yowonu. Esther Dede Yowonu. This is a message that IGP no issue. Now, second wireless I call yet 30th January. I intercepted. IGP Christian Tetenyonu. I say we're promoting another person in the name of Godwin Tetenyonu. Adenya. Also for exhibiting exceptional commitment and dedication to duty, and the undermentioned corporal is promoted to the rank of sergeant with 2 incremental credits with effective 1st January 2026. Eyewanya osi Erasmus Tetenyonu. Erasmus Tetenyonu oyewanya. Are these the daughters and sons and cousins of a year IGP Teto Yewunu? Now, third a year wireless, I call ye. A year another wireless, which IGP himself signed, purportedly signed. He said, young fan promoting Emmanuel Domson Yewunu. Emmanuel Domson appear. Godwin Te Yewunu. Joyce Maku Yewunu. Now, was a special recommendation for exhibiting exceptional commitment and dedication to duty, and the mentioned sergeants have been granted 3 incremental credits with effective. So here, why smart police for BB incremental credit. So incremental credit, you know, ASL Unya police Muna Yokopra. Every year you get 1 credit. So instead of saying they've been promoted to the next rank, he has given them 3 incremental credit just so on the next incremental credit that they will get automatically will move them to the next rank in the police service. So the question we are asking is that IGP Teto Yewunu, the 4th wireless message which we have intercepted, IGP Yewunu ne wireless was sende akoma se yem promote Emmanuel Yewunu, Evans Yankee, Leonard Yankee. Now question aye busa very simple. Within 10 days, exceptional commitment IGP Nebusuafo. IGP Nebusuafo say exceptional commitment. So exceptional commitment na dear he. Omo commitment dear he special promotions no. Already police service for Emranwa. Section 37.2. Crystal clear. Say special promotions are for meritorious act of bravery, valor and preventing crime. Now, yebusa IGP say then Nebusuafo ni nyina purportedly na wa promote omo no. Omo ye omo prevent crime within the same period. Outstanding operational performance omo ye within the same period. Another ya mentiasie. All the Yewunus and the Yankees suddenly became national heroes between 20th and 30th January. Another ya mentiasie. And I coincidence surnames in the say. IGP Yewunu surnames in the say no munye wunuanya o manyo bibia na yentiasie. So the IGP didn't even try to hide it. Say bia onu Nkansah personally and our wireless assign. So we sit in a nation where police service it has become family and friends. IGP Christian Teto Yewunu, this is clearly arrogance of power. This is not just abuse of power, it is arrogance to the highest level that I believe it must not be entertained. All of a sudden, we promotion. Say Xmas promotion. The Ghana Police Service under IGP Teto Yewunu. The question we are asking you is that your years of service means nothing as a police. The sacrifices the people are making, the ordinary police people are making means nothing. Loyalty to it means nothing. What that matters in this Obenya surname when you throw Yewunu and you'll be promoted. Under IGP Yewunu, no police service can survive like this. No democracy can tolerate this. So IGP Yewunu should come and explain to us that system we are creating is obi na ye anka be ne. IGP. So obi na ye IGP no promote. And this is not just a police issue, we're a national security issue. If say the more you do that, the more you encourage promotion based on family and friends, what then will happen is that command will collapse. Discipline within the service will collapse. You are abusing the power that the people have given you. So IGP Yewunu promoting ebusuafo ne omo makanyina. Na no safo what taifa wo no ye police ni no wonya promotion. Trust in the service will anything will budget bribe no. Operational effectiveness will collapse. IGP, if you don't know, we are telling you. Because a compromised police leadership is not just a scandal. It is a security threat. People will no longer believe in the service. So come and explain to us, how come IGP Christian Teto Yewunu, you are promoting people with the surname of Yewunu? Is it that they have become national heroes overnight? An idea bear. Ministry of Interior. Ora, your friend say, Mutaka, Chinchingerano. Shraj, we are asking you, sir, Mube investigators are your You must act with the urgency it deserves. This is a year IGP Christian to you, we are calling for audit of every promotion our buy. We are calling for a publishing of criteria used in making those promotions. We are calling for investigation into conflict of interest. Say IGP you are promoting because we need to restore transparency back into the service. It's not just about the IGP We need a police service that promote people based on merit. So here IGP Christian to you, the promotions that you have made shall be held accountable because uniform must symbolize service, not privilege. The uniform of the Ghana Police Service, it must symbolize sacrifice, not surname. And your surname you promotion. And leadership must protect the institutions. No, if you are the IGP, it is not about what you must not personalize it. Power that given to you must not be personalized. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You're moving on from IGP Christian Tete, you will know a promotions, very questionable promotions are. What issue wireless message a day ama. Now we are calling for investigations into this is Shraj and we are calling for investigations, special prosecutor, we are calling for investigations into these promotions. Now moving away from IGP Christian Tete, you will know any promotions are what they are ama. Yanko na yanko share 1 2 1 2 1 2 Nana doma hene Mianga sami papa Nana doma hene ajimambedu. I decided I was not going to make comments about one sante hene and semubio because now me go see Afutuo baby. Etiki Afutuo baby ene de eniyama bi a promise one ka wonsa aka no ka be ma the peace that reign between Asante and Bonono anka awoho mese ye nuanom baako abatuo nti na akɔhye baabie na wo ye create tension between Asante and Bono. Defend Asante, it came across as though we've sat down, we've reflected. We will not leave the space for you to make these commentaries unguarded, unchecked. We will still pass commentaries over it, except that it will be done differently. Eti, nanado mahine, mese wadao mama minu ni nkomo. Eti se woshe doma afuoso. Na uye de doma afuo pe. Na ubua ma bunu peja, bunu nchampem peja. Na uja Asante hene nso mwoye na Asante hene. Nu ohwe na Asante so na wadaroma mira ebeye den. Ede besi. Another one, me papa, and when I say me papa newa, I've explained it over and over. Say I believe a condom no, it goes beyond just Doma, Asante, Dwabe, Achiremasu ni ade. A condom is in 8 family. Diana, Oyoko, Asechiri, Asuna, Bretio, Ekwona, ene Adako ni Omamaka. A condom ni na, that's what consists of it. Na mesia jahine eye aduanani. So we are aduanani dia. Then clearly we are me papa. So I will pass comments on nyoma bi a waka efa yewra Asante hene IGP ho. Na respectfully we will share our ideas on it. I think as a high time you make some of these commentaries not because it is your personal agenda, but it must have a national connotation. As a bibi a tertiary. If so, we a lawyer ni winimumra. It's only mradia. And Ajiman Bedu, on someone who can, it must be grounded in law. It must be solid in law. If a judge ni what's in a judge, I read the constitution over and over. Now say any would have so a problem. When any maybe a santimai santihini dear nimu a year. It does a personal fight against Yera Santihini. And I say it is diabolically being wrapped as a national agenda. And then you be this uncommon. So yentie missing Ajima Bedu. Mira say the asema.
Adiabi airport. Na wan beka. Yeah. Adiabi airport Ghana wan beka. Yeah. Ajima Bedu dey only say that be akwam. Na bibi wo mebka. Yeah. Ghana man dey be alonka. So beka. Ngwa we beka. Yeah. Yebra. Adiabi airport. Yeah. Abale de anim se tumi nyina yɛ to te sɛ John Dramani Mahama. Ɔne Ghana nyina yɛ de yɛ tumi ama no. Yeah. Yewura na aswe no bi te sɛ police, bi te sɛ military ne nyina. Ahyehyɛ na sɛ na moa. Yeah. Yewura na no bi kɔ so nkran. Yeah. Ghana for bi am tiasie. Yeah. Awie. Yɛ ni sɛ o we yɛ bi a. Abetwam. You run on one president, BSc, Kumasi. IGP, Okahon. IGP, or there. Akusa, not be no moon. Ghana, IGP, original Ghana. You run there, who cry and say. Then say GJ Ghana Journalist Association. But yeah, by was big massive. But they are no crown. Tini make asem, tini make no. Na mampanyina ya to abade ma no. Na oba. Na binu so beka ho. Na ba kita ba flag. Enya Ghana flag. Yewura. IGP da oye saade ne bi Americans ni nyina. O ma me do ma me yo. Mpese as a matter of priority. Onko slave man sini. Ahemfo agase no. Onko ya saade ne bi ma be. Buno hamra anya ba ko man na vice o madoma o waya bi ma regions ni nyina sa anya bi ama regions ni nyina na o ba bi ba ko pe na o ba ya me agbadu am to so bi nu me sorry Ghana sa de na ya de ka setia sa me ma na ko so en ko so mi mu bi da wo afiwe mu ni be 6 years me nti sa Ghana sa de bi akoso Yewura, wa banana o de ne bae. O sa ho ka da na no sikasem mankanfo. O ye no kra sikasem wa ye aye kama. Ghana ni bia be ka sikasem. On ye yie no. Me Ajima Bedu. Na Ajima Bedu say on ti ase say eye IGP Christian Tetu Yonu. Ama Santehene kwan amana ye eye de wo yi. Say oye eye parading. Or ye guard of honor. Move as a guard of honor, and idea. So we inspect a parade. Is that clear? One tiasie. Secondly, so GJ 4-year program B. And I Jima Bedusu one tiasie say. Santehene banana Santa flag aiding him. Now yamwana many mirror any Nkomakra. Now Jima Bedu many new Nkomakra. So because you were a judge, I am going to have the conversation grounded in law. I will have it grounded in a world politics. And examples across the world. Ni ehunu say ade Ghana ntokwa na wo fighting for. You are fighting for your own personal thing wrapped under a year. I said yeah, only kuma Ghana. Kuma Ghana mira. Mese Ajima Bedu, dia wo ye kuma Ghana. Di kan we read the constitution article 271 very clear on what it says. Article 271 of the Constitution says that the institution of chieftaincy, together with its traditional council, is hereby guaranteed. So you can the institution of chieftaincy is guaranteed. Flag and a santemai ho ansan yeba be Ghana no e santemai a chieftaincy ho. It's it is guaranteed. Flag ne ka ho, it is guaranteed. Na santehine ba na dom di nanimu a Eka santemai ni chieftaincy ne ho ansa ne yebeka Ghana ho. So if the constitution guarantees the institution of chieftaincy, it guarantees it. And you see, not only does it guarantees the chieftaincy institution,
It even goes ahead to admonish any state institution, whether parliament or every other institution, say obetimi amend anything that touches or derogates a chieftaincy institution without first being brought to a National House of Chiefs. So Article 272, or say Parliament and by extension any public authority cannot pass any law or take any action that detracts or derogates from honor and the dignity of the institution of chieftaincy. It's a Santaman folk flag, and then Sante, Emma Sante Hine and Asante Hine. You cannot pass Emra to take away that flag simply because we have joined a country called Ghana. After all, Ghana is a unitary state. And unity is not achieved by erasing the history or the identity of people. Unity is achieved by acknowledging the diversity in the existence of the people within the country. What is this continuous attack? Constitution recognizes customary law under Article 11.3. Under Article 26.1, the state must protect and promote customs. It says antihini ye bibi na it borders on a customs. Clearly inspection of parade, displaying of flag, performance of ceremonial duties as antihini ye no. It has got nothing to do with usurping the sovereignty of Ghana. Because the way it is within the exact constitutional mandate here, diamano. It's in an argument bedu. Siete ho now catch ne say Santehine inspect a guard of honor any guard of diabe it here say you separate the presidential don't mean yes sir. If the ceremonial parade is not a political activity, it is constitutionally protected, a cultural function. Yes, ceremonial parade not for just heads of state. Yes, ceremonial parade and your heads of state in Kwa obi a minister of foreign affairs will mind be so obedru baby yet me ceremonial parade mano no inspect it. Yana and Danny Abudu or baby or one ye bet me a ceremonial parade mano will inspect me. I want damba or change it to a ceremonial parade or a chimemwa ye bet me or change inspect it. And there is nothing wrong. Government can inspect ceremonial parade. And there is nothing wrong. Even religious leaders bet me inspect a cadet corner, a ceremonial parade. There is nothing wrong. It has not border. It is not about the sovereignty of this country. While we are discomforted by the actions of Santehine, so you are wrapping it against say as a fight on principle, any principle, Papa. Wadaroma Santehina diena war, you know. Say ye will kura the flag, say will kura will inspecting parade. These are all part of the culture which is guaranteed under the constitution. Just here, it's a problem with a Santehina. Be clear, don't wrap it as if say fight for a year as Santem a Ghana mind. Don't do that. Don't do that. Yeti Kroma say the man for the brain and say Dabon for or flag, Gonja for or flag, Gamashi, womu or flag. Oko be yimikro mumfanti for ya, asafufu bebre wo flag, wo bia will be. It does not challenge the sovereignty of the republic. Enya Ghana nkwana akudura yesi ye your mind. And for that matter, your mind, no, Sabio, your friend say, untimi, because you are a nation, you cannot have your friend say a flag within a nation. Since when? Ubedru United Kingdom. Say United Kingdom is ruled by King Charles, which is a country on its own. But Scotland for a flag, although they are within the United Kingdom. And to Scotland, the war flag, does that threaten the sovereignty of United Kingdom? Ubedru United Kingdom, although Wales is within United Kingdom, but Wales will flag. Ukodru Germany, Bavaria is within Germany, but Germany edudu national flag. Bavaria also flag. Quebec, Udru Canada, Quebec has their flag, although they are within Canada. Ukodru South Africa, Zulu for within South Africa, but Zulu for flag. Edi ane tiny and brand Nana Jimabadu Adey. Me papa Adey. Ghana is not a uniform state. Yan yam yen yam frase kuku. There are different diversity. And that diversity in the beauty of Ghana ever out. So if you believe that unity requires sameness, it cannot be. Ghana's constitution rejects the idea of sameness. It says, "Obi an forget the identity. Na yamra ni nyina yen kamom ni nyam asante for remfi omo ho, doma for remfi omo ho, e gonja for da bi yen sa na constitution e paka." We are a unitary state. Efe. Gamanche be yen de. Efe. Fantemai be yen de. Efe. That is what we talk about. In diversity lies strength. Now, why yeah. A bread you say be jai, me papa. Jai, emwa, what it? Yenyai, what it? Asante ni no yenin tokwa wona ye yanka wouldn't tokwa bi ebemu sante hine ye na dia. The kingdom of Asante is strengthened by Ghana's unity because Ghana Asante da ne mind ye be ye Ghana no ye kwosere se beka ho gonja da ne mind ye kwosere se beka ho and ya patchy and it's so beautiful. It doesn't threaten the sovereignty of Ghana. And Ajima Bedu, why ye be a year? It's a national cohesion. Let us discuss national cohesion. Don't rub. In any case, Sante ini say to na would in attempt say, "Yeah, Manu, a God of Yeben Debe or Santimem." It won't chase here. Sante ini say to we crowd the Anya Santimemu. What me quote Trinidad and Tobago, any ni amana inspector God of honor. Any Deben Debe parade. We Sante ini say to and what Trinidad and Tobago. Yeah, man, inspector guard of parade ni Hawaii. Obi kurum. Eti yeah, man, inspector a parade na ye de also your hinepon. O brandi ni ye na brandi ni mu ye dua. Ye be mo inspector parade ni bi. Sante ini na inspector parade wo Morocco. We Morocco. Sante ini wadru Morocco a wo inspector parade. And also go inspect a parade near to Morocco in the Santana Bidi. Or go inspect a parade near to Morocco in the Santana Bidi. Santana contributing the quota to the development of our nation. No two ways about it. Dabon crisis by we called on a Santana. Of why? Chieftaincy dispute bebre. Wabwa. Asante hini otum for educational fund wabua health wabua development of our nation moko IMF ne moko yedia wono na mo friend so won fa ni trimaje no odi tra kwaje eti ye friend so amra me inspector guard of parade ne na ye de bai ana ye de bai ana ye de bai ado mai Our personal tokwa bi a woni Asante hene ni Asante mai wa. Don't wrap it as though a year will fight for. What do I say? Northern Ireland, no money now or flag. Very there within a year. Your friend say the United Kingdom. Who be do United States here mitimuya. State in the bebre or more personal flags. Connecticut, New York. If you say omo jidi say a year state be na kekambo mu form the United States of America. So they have the Constitution of Connecticut. They have the Constitution of New York. They have other several constitutions. Munyai. Why? Munyai. Some countries, see Scotland, near the UK, they are not collapsing because Obi war. Najma Wadaoma, why ye be a year? Why ye be a year? Why ye be a year? What the time in Tokwa abba a ye unuanum entem for far too long. A brana so say me papa ube jai. Why? Jai. Enya de papa. Jai. Ye beto aba na wo ye said be ya NDC be wini bono. Ampa you succeeded. If you say oko make the argument say baby no mu ba, baby peja baako. Baby no mu ba, baby peja ye nyina. Eti bentu ma baby no mu no oba baby peja ye nyina no. Ana me nuanom bunu fo di mirika kwato ma ya NDC. And NDC no aba. Oma wune say Asante hene da so ye Asante hene. Bibia no abetumi aya afa ho. Afe ye ne yes one man inspective parade ni ade nso a eno nso mu ne ye akutukum. Ene se wutwa wo nua no mo bono fontro etinye bebinom ne ba bebe pija baako. Ne mom bebinom ba santehene ye ne santehene bebinom kwa santehene ye ne santehene. Sa na me expect say na na doma hene me ankasa me papa wo be pija wo ho. Said the beya baby no ba baby pija won so if a bear pija wan kasa ho. I'm saying, anyway, boy, wow, be ya hu hia. Why ye be a twaso? Yangas why ye be a twaso? There wo ye nyina your politics. Santehene ye be a go against constitution. Okura ne flag and ne kura ne deda ansa ne ye be form Ghana no e the constitution abeto no and the constitution has recognized. It is guaranteed. Customary law is guaranteed. Eti dia be ne ntokwa hunu na da bia wo maye abunufo keka abunufo ne santifo tribum sa adai. Oh, why you be a twaso? Why you be a twaso? Why you be a twaso? Na do wine.
Come. Parade Commander ASP Kofi Agyeman is now risking to action.
Yeah, yera santehene wadama. Mira, Mr. Eya unsu pejam dodo. Why? Pejamu ne sun dodo. Mane mra fom kakra. Na afi ni yenye ni se. Why? You said eya usi pejam na God of honor ni hu fan eya na ehi. And yeah, me say minya santini agebe hipa. Ajaza mi santini agebe hipa. Adai. Mo santifo etukura mu diebo. Mo ka ho. Mo ka ho. Oh, eya mo su munya abotre, mo nsusu. Wo mo say santini ya santidi. Na mo nsusu. Why? Na ayiwe no na ohene ba si edu zo was ni nyina enye hu fi na buroni ba hwa na bemna. That is on the lighter side anyway. Mr. Abua, yeah, ready. Anyway, moving away from a year now, my enemy, I say, any asantiment to qua. Let's listen to this.
December, ya, or share Bobby 1 billion Ghana cedis. Ose, finance minister, in releasing one chair contractors cat. No got to me, I could di bronya. You could di bronya then said, yeah, she bet me a chair and workers cat. Or the Ose Yoyo. Or releases as a canon 22nd December to 23rd and as a canabeda Ghana Road Maintenance Trust Fund account to mu. Opahine, I will some woman say, Bessie Nedie, and they the 4th of February, which is over 1 month. May come a president at Tisse, contractors one son can't say canon. Now, one, a year when Emma contractors in the heart attack. Eye when Emma contractors ni bi wo gwanfi wo mfi eye when Emma contractors ni bi want me ntua wo masuku ka Emma nkwala no wo drop out enti my appeal we di eye ne tia eye yewra president contractors kana wo say finance minister release ye no yensa nkan ye yensa kan me mensa kan de
Donate aban no a yentie jo mama.
We have big push a juma dia. May catch them say Sikano eta ho. for we a big push in Juma, dear. Make catch them say Sicano at home.
A little touch with the arm and then with the leg.
Sikanebeda Ghana Road Maintenance Trust Fund account to mu. Obahine, I will some woman say, Bessie Nedie, and they the 4th of February, which is over 1 month. May come a president at Tisse, contractors on Nkansah Sikano. Now, a way name a contractors in the heart attack. A way name a contractors in the won't won't fee. A way name a contractors in the won't mean Chia or Masuku ka. Eman Kwalano, why you drop out into my appeal. Where the a nanny chineya a year president. Contractors, can I say, finance minister in release here, no? Yensan Kaye. Yensa can come in Sakamede. I ask him.
Medical catchums are buying with a kilnet are buying. Now, would you omudi at your own peril? Omudi atro nada and a baby boo amemuno. We nyamana maker. President John Dramani Mahama so microphone sikano etaho. Yes, and you na VAR and Nkansah decided.
We a big push in Juma, dear. Make catch them say Sicano at home.
A little touch with the arm and then with the leg.
Sikanebeda Ghana Road Maintenance Trust Fund account to mu. Obahine, I will some woman say, Bessie Nedie, and they the 4th of February, which is over 1 month. May come a president at Tisse, contractors on Nkansah Sikano.
Okay,
now one
contractors in Nkansah Sikano, Yera Mahama, Echatro, scam a buying kilnet a buying. Another kilnet a buying Jumedia would say, or buy na Swami interchange. Tier 4. That means yeah lanes, no 4 lanes and top 4 near dear Con and Amse Pukwasidiano. Wabaye, Wayi, a Swami, Makru, Magazine, New Road. Adwato ene bantama ene iketi ane where you almost from where you nyina sulia ene yehwade
What's say baby video?
Swami interchange. Our Danino a tier 2 instead of tier 4. Was what it is so? Say what it is to say who? Aha, anti Aja, Wadanino, Wadadamo, Anamoto Abamano, and tier 4 no ye no. Ye tier 2. Ultimate tier 4. It is Swami. Adwato, Mazi, New Road, Tafo, Crofrum, Pankrono, Munina. Your mama Adamu. Where Swami magazine for an omoye demonstration. Swami magazine for demonstration our moye. Say your mama dada ye. Your mama and cano correct. Your mama making sure was a conconsa for buying. Okay. Now moving away, let's go to Cocoa Board. Cocoa for no Yentie.
About no better. I saw it. Any a cabin so a bedam. Will be all better than the idea and bar what I wouldn't yaka. I found me by a free school bias. Me and I'm a shadow. For course, they made a 30 bucks an apple. Ya mamma bago ba kukurasika. Ne was me sampa we for piece to ready. Me am a boy and Milo. Original Ghana Milo. Won't you see a say, Ukoni and quite correct the bear. Ya de baba mo ata mo ntua ka de ne ya yan kwan ya bom ti won wan ti na me e se sama de ye ne sefa e won ni ah si a wusi for wo na you know ah wan si wodi hwe won no be che me ha na be che me o ye ni ya baba kan o su ye ni ya ko ni monte ah woni mu ye ni ya ko ni monte asa
you know the Mahama say I been wa be e fe na kuya bedu what to do call Osuni mi aduni oso fa isi camera no what tia wiam a wo su what tia wiam wo su go so fa isi camera no onya ho tonti sa wo de wa wo ba hu de na ni abreche opa na wo de o si akonwa so na de wu didi wo ti awie mom ka fa no ayi no de Mahama no say abrewa bi efe na kuye badu wa todu ko osuni mienu ni o so fa isi camera no wo ti awie ma wo su wo ti awie wo su bo so fa isi camera no mo onya ho tonti sa de wa wo ba hu de na ni abreche opa na wo si akonwa so na de wu didi wo ma mi bidi wo ma bidi wo ma ni anu bidi
ebu Mahama
enti we aye abrewa ku abedu koko ni ato yentua randia betina aye Metro TV good morning Ghana da bia good morning Ghana randi nkwan nim nyansa wo kire koko se de esi to no koko edu wori wonya de edu ye de ba na fa hin ko yentie aye John Dramani Mahama Nkansah.
When it comes to cocoa production, Western North is a leader. Indeed, the people of this region are the backbone of Ghana's cocoa production. But I'm aware of the hardships our cocoa farmers face: low prices, inadequate extension services, and delays in the distribution of cocoa inputs. And so let me be clear today, we will ensure our commitment to pay our farmers 70% of the world market price of cocoa. The sweat of our cocoa farmers deserves dignity and a fair reward. We've also restructured the cocoa rehabilitation program, especially in Bia and Dwabosu areas, where swollen shoots and old trees have drastically reduced cocoa yields. Under the new leadership of the Ghana Cocoa Board, they will prioritize the distribution of improved seeds, regular extension support, and proper compensation for rehabilitated cocoa farms.
We owura John Dramani Mahama nsɛm a wɔka yɛ bra no wɔ ɔpɛ emanfo ne tumi na atofo si ɔyɛ finance minister ato oka de yi
cocoa farmers a wɔwɔ Ghana ha abani oturi wanyi hone ndi ne yie kra
nokure ato nokure na bɛ da yi
wesisi mu bebre abani wa fa mu sika bebre de da me pɛ na me kan yi de cocoa no bono cocoa bag biala abani bɔtɔn ɔbɔtɔn wa bochi oya sika 9,800 oya Ghana sika da no mu 98 million Ghana cedis
atofo si ni o
there's a 98 million cedis Ghana is a share of cocoa board in there oida abano oche de miska bi mu abasa so chema abasa na ono wa afakul na the cocoa farmer no wa ma na ebie na mo ma bani o to be on the west citizen ono wa afa ebie na wa ma cocoa farmer e ko the way it's cocoa ba di biala oida wotonen en ko ida aban o ma cocoa farmer 65 million Ghana cedis 65 million
ato forsense esa aban Akufo-Addo aban oton koko no a wo ma 65 million Ghana cedi na 65 million no yemusa awo bedu se awo odia no aba ye dia mawo na wo je ne da ban but before se mako bisa awo bedu awo yentie odia na ma
ayi no de Mahama say abrewa bi efe na kuye badu wa todu ko osuni mienu ni o so fa isi camera no wo ti awie ma wo su wa ti awie wo su bo so fa isi camera no mo onya ho tonti sa wo de wa wo ba hu de na ni abreche opa na wo si akonwa so na de wu didi wo ma mi bidi wo ma bidi wo ma ni anu bidi
ebu Mahama
eti ayi Akufo-Addo no otua na emom na enoso ana Jomama so no de ode kosoro na emom ba ni se kura de ontua wo hene na Jomama otua ode ne ntie no
aba hu no hwe ene ka aba no so obedam obi a wo be che me de ade an ba wo to a untua ka na so afa mo de me ba wo free school ba ye me ana me hwa no Propose me 30 bags na go. Ya ma me bag ba ku kura sika. Ne wo me sanfa we nko pisu ti we dia. Me am ebobo aye na milo. Original Ghana milo. Won ti ase eja say okori ye ni an kwan kura de be.
Ebobo aye na original Ghana milo ampa. Na CEO no Randy Abe. Na nipa wode ayi. Wode akonwa rubber hye ho ne kokoko afuom. Randy Abe. Wait me cocoa board CEO mani. Won hunu cocoa dua da. Se nya so be ye cocoa board CEO ya. Cocoa dua won hunu bi da. Afuo nkrante won hunu bi da. Randy Abe won hunu bi da. Etisi ye do afuo ehye ede yensa epam so eyiyi mu nuama no wonye bi da. No at cantonment. Okay, Cambrofo. Metro TV ke Cambrofo. Onti Kwaku afuo so ase. No ati omu so ase ankokwa de ayi Kwaku afuo no atiefuo ni mu no no de ayi swevo chair a rubber hye ho na akotena ho eni ko ebise anytime kura so ni kokofuo no akuafuo no betena afuo mu ho. Na we be da adwene omo ho. And even as we speak, wo munya sika ntua cocoa farmers ka no. Randy Abe na oye CEO ene ne deputies mienu omakoto Land Cruiser emunu dwan no omutimu Randy Abe ne deputies omakoto Land Cruiser emunu dwan miensa no omutim Land Cruiser ba ku $200,000 woni sika odi twa kokko akuafo ka na emo wo sika ye de ma eye Land Cruiser fo eje Land Cruiser miensa owie wasa to trucks eye pickup trucks ma 150 enso woni sika odi ma akuafo Kwaku aye foma no de tia rubber ayi na akoto wo de tia rubber ayi chair ana akosiwo Eric Opoko ya Greek minister Eric Opoko yentio
health insurance also Cocoa board under John Mahama ye health insurance ma Cocoa kwani bia o passbook one ne yere de also mo hospital free
Cocoa kwani ne na yere
yes
na hospital free
yes
Honorable, you record you.
Ya twa wo manifesto mo so ya record ka. Afei Kwaku afo no so nyina.
O se na Akufo ado aban. Why ye hinti no ene ma bebre wo a on ye Kwaku afo no o mo yire free so na taban Randy Abe wotena Metro TV kasasa yenti no
omoda abani Cocoa board akuma super enti de ekoso no
wo mo de wakuma so anka sabre ya wunya sika ntua mu ka ahonkonkoto V8 ema medem so wo mo de wakuma so a anka sabre ya wunya sika ntua mu ka anka 150 pickups emfama Cocoa board eti mama ka so wo mo da yakuma so pa wo mo da hwan yakuma so wo na obi yakuma so you continue to fool the people every time. Mo pa abato de ato forcing ato ato yenti Randy Abe yenti no Randy yenti o
enya ade a yeniji ho na so na e was say ye try na chire modientia situation naba but also to say bibia eda yakoma so aban ne Cocoa board hwe say ni menimi ya no ye be enya solution na ye kuafo no omo atom tenti na meka say ye be sre ni say ye sro mo ani diemu omonya abotre kakraman na yabehwe ne atenetire nsem no nyina na de omo ato a yentu aka no omo sawe kom sika
Ekuafo sikani ho dollar omo koje ba ye nyina because of sa artificial dollar inflation ye pompe dollar ni ade nti se omo sesa ba si de omo beboka no kura wa asem ni nyina no artificial economy na ye create no omo sesa dollar na omo koton kokoo wo munyaye no omo sesa ni sisi ye omo boka etu omo twen se dollar ne be kona nim kakra ekona nim kakra na omo sesa de bi etua mka nti mo be twen ache pa ekuafo no mo be twen ache ebise sikani ho Okachiro say na etu obeba ne sika kura no na bom dollar no afe ne se dollar na ayesi etu randia be ohunu de wo ye erikopoku. And to add insult to injury
all the sectors in Ghana they collapse every sector. Nansiana yenya or they say Randy Abiadawma or try have cocoa board kakaka ama cocoa body
the claims they are not paying cocoa farmers, is it true?
Hefa cocoa farmer ben is ye into Anaka omun kofa American yentie nina ye busidi me
MP, do you have any data that shows that they are paying them?
Oh, of course
in a way I read this best
yentum ka de benti
I read this best, of course.
Exactly. Why would you
see in Chomkasi? You will not get to see in Janica. What why your space says Salome president? Yeah, of course. I got you see a geography for Kanyasa. What why your space says Salome president? Say, of course. Na mama bre. Na mframa bebo ma akokɔ ne to ada hɔ da bia mka kyerɛ mo your mama ban do ma meyɛ hwe your mama ban ɔma meyɛ hwe kwabena wo bia ansa na ada na wo wa phone sɛ kwabena me ko ka obedi matam me ana me nua no Eti John Romani Mahama ni koko ho nsɛm Randy Abe wa hyɛ space akambrofo aka wɔn na nyansa nyinaa wɔ ne tirim Wana nyansa nyina wontim wonim futri Bade men ko ba bia me ka kire mo se Amatela ene eye fake doctor and Sansa Dali emre bi twam ma me ka kire mo se sankrofo ye frosters se me kana na munyini a ene katamanso traditional eye council edi nsem bi aba abetudwa ye bedi san komo no menko ba bia ba before see ye bedi san komo no yewra oseche mensa bonsu former member of Parliament for a year Swami MPP yen nyina yetimi kire ya adwene obia timi kire na adwene eye party a buzi ase se enipa 100 ne wodem e decide here na se mu be 99 e kwa afa na ba ko ka so no de obekọ ha yenya abutre ntie ba ko ni nwie efise bia ba ko ni be wie ne submission no na omo maka nyina akora ba be di na chi de na ko ha. So our party is not a party that is based on a zombie attitude. Say master say we all follow. We don't behave in that. That is the principles and ideals on which our party was formed. Domo yedi ene say democracy. Kan wo de na men kan me de ne hwa ba bi nyina ba kosi. Eti yewra oseche mensa bonsu de nsem bi atodwa. Hwa na obi ameka sesa wo kire wa adwene ewo oru oseche mensa bonsu asem ne ho a. You own party no asem. You are being you guys should stop this attitude. Let us share ideas. I'm
talking to for myself. So Bisamia, any baby, MPs no will be a cause of serious disaffection. If you are bringing the image of the party in disrepute, if you are hinting the other for a move, and I say be why be my party for Nkansah one penny ma hwe okọ ye kra kakra yi so nsi ho oti nye bibi saa why you so hostile what generate a hostility on the backyard and this idea can make messages say you build a consensus now as many as possible yema omonsanko without any contest and then we step out there foray into baby
former member of parliament for my former constituency. I grew up in Swami, so I'm a former member of parliament. No. But respectfully, sir, I know this has been your idea for a long time. Sir, what you can't believe is that the idea of unopposed in itself, it contradicts the very foundation of a representative democracy na year practicing. That the idea of a elitism, protecting xenophobia, friends and family. Constitution here very clear on what it wants and what it does not. It says that it promotes and protects political party participation. It is will be joining MPP. The NT and the condos will be joining MPP. So when him so assume he can rise up through the ranks. Freedom of association, internal party democracy. These are the ideals, the fundamentals on which the MPP was built. So a political party cannot preach democracy and on the other hand promoting monopoly politics. Say me and ye nyama xenophobia ko unopposed. Because all times so amiyama kwama ko unopposed several times in tea. Competition in any democracy is not a threat. It is actually oxygen for democracy. So oseche mensa bonsu mira adaroma sa wo idea say unopposed enya adwuma. MP no waye adwuma amanfo no wo ho no de be kire. If it says MP nim say he or she cannot be challenged that. One, they will stop listening to the people. They will stop engaging. They won't even campaign. In any case, any crash system aye we omunya we ni prime minister no nim say who stronghold and ko round and koye adwuma and campaigning. And until you lose vote so many times what a stronghold no. History has shown that most MPs disconnect more often when they stay too long from the people. If it's an internal competition, be a money opposer. What will give them the enticements or a constituency? If it's when it's what parliament, he declares so called oppose. 81st of all, Sikako Edbecanis as one conquer grassroots on a seat without accountability becomes a personal estate, and we cannot afford as a nation see making sure say xenophobia seat to be by your family a personal estate. As ye jitum say your man phone na to me ma wo dia. Here was HMS abusu I was suggestion we enya dwuma or party ni mu na enya dwuma chana. Say democracy ni see running. And anu akwabia kosuku aba wo ye lawyer ni wa hye court wo keka mbrofo ani ye kwa kwato aba wo akwawensa fo tenabia akwawensa fo tenabia no nso ayikwawensa ne bia wono kasa no yese ni ezi yes if all politics is local. So if all politics is local there omkwato aba na kwawensa ni wi na awini manfo say ni ma choose kwawensa ni over lawyer ni na sabi kwawensa ni no represent manfo no. With the blanket no contest directive now, it violates the spirit of internal democracy, the equality of opportunity with the current the constitution, the current constitution guarantees. It's here juma. So political aristocracy now mo pese mo form ni enye juma. Friends and family be person wo mo protect wo mo ho enti unopposed and unopposed MPs there be contest beba so contest yebema MPs na bo omo ho hye wo omo constituency. If said there is no evidence that protecting an incumbent MP will guarantee enya sa dia anka me na wo kasai ayi adanse asokwa anka yen lusu seat no eji ya ka say ayi we your friend say keti amon enko if say keti amon ye dwen say ono post in ye lusu seat and ye nsu ahwe. In the last election, many protected incumbents and no more MPP mu omu lose seat to NDC. A new candidate NDC di ba Sunyani Isinyane Wesunyane. New candidate in the energy bi ba ye euphoria bi ba ye ema amanfo no fresh energy bi ba constituency ni mu a omu di tutu ye candidate na omu tete wa bobon kokora na mmerwa do. Tihwa no obi a meka nche so no pose sem bia o party ni mu enya adwuma. If you have fresh energy at the base, the idea that unopposed a guarantee victory is a political myth, not a political strategy. So some of us will not buy into it. There are certain peculiar places, a bibinti, dynamics binti, and I know many Jombo du Kasai or Chinam, but we cannot go a blanket yenyin to microphone on the post in this idea. And you're not correct. And you're not correct. Constituency na personal property you. A man for no dia. Constituency no. A man for no dia. Parliamentary seat no. A man for no dia. And your MP no dia. Parliamentary seat. It belongs to the people and not the MP. Parliamentary seat it belongs to the people, the voters, and not the party hierarchy. Mutimi trank and more decided. Uro se cheme sabosu enya juma nenya juma chara. And this idea that Nkrophobia more MPP than it's ye mubiasi ye bija omo kwan enya no kore. Oya omso MPP de ja o masem mo na sa ye nyina ye MPP ye nyina ye MPP ye nyina ye ka ho ye nyina be kan sa. If so blocking competition you are sending a very dangerous message. Say your choice does not matter. It is the people of Asante cannot make a choice. The people of Yamwase cannot make a choice. Jamasi cannot make a choice. Funfuni Dabai Kokotia Suya Kena Moso they cannot make a choice. How is that? Kuna want to make a choice. Stand out to make a choice. Also, be tenant can know decide who becomes their MP. If said that will kill enthusiasm. Man for no energy no base no en Kenya. Party no subabi a yabedu ye here party where ya call ba ko ba ya Dr. Mamadu ba we ni. One who said the party ni base no was here Kenya. Obi no MP bi no be protected no. MBBNO. Debbie. Would do United States here, incumbent senators, congressmen, who face primaries every cycle, BNY catching so on no post, would do United Kingdom MPs, Omuko constituency re-election, reselection processes, BNY ko no post, Canada yebi, Germany yebi, Ghana will be on no post, MPP will be on no post. We hear Juma man for the bachelor, our former, we hear Juma man for no and a bachelor, our former. Okome amenase manfo no bechere okoda wu tabere manfo no bechere jamase manfo no bechere be pass manfo no bechere obi anko no push wo ye adwuma manfo no a be pijaw dabio ono pose sem nim obi a be compete bi ye be ma kwan ma manfo no atwusi. Consensus is healthy when it emerges from the people, the grassroots. It's a grassroots to fund the near your unopposed. Choose vote of no confidence. Nobody can impose anything on anyone. You cannot secure a seat by silencing the voters. If they so voters on your silence, the MP won constituency. One cohort that. Ya two primaries ma no kura wie no eno kura ya kɔ primaries wie no on sa nkɔ ya adwuma eti yero se chemensa bo sa idea we enya adwuma na enya adwuma chena. Elections are won by performance, credibility, connection to the people and hard work. It is not won by blocking challenges. So obi a baby yen nyina baby obi a baby competition be party ni mu na mu ya de asia na Kenya party grassroots ni mo do. Omo nyina feel a part of the selection process. E do wa MP no omo de choose ye, omo ana de nbekɔ. Omo akoton no. If it's a party who show internal competition, you know, that means the party fears its own members. And party for ni me, omo adwene mu do. What do I say? Party for na to Obama e right o say chairman sabos wo so ame. For the past bed the owo awudi ye no. Omo adwene mu do. They can also do same. A party who fears its members cannot get ready for a nation lead, cannot lead the nation. Eti Euro say cheme sabosu. Ye ma obi anko no pose o. Enya no koreda. Anya no kro. Anya no kre. Ono post. Obi anko ono post. Competition bem party ni mu be ya kono emu be de. Hey, we ya MP na anya adwuma ye betu. Manfo na adwunum da ho. Wo ma adwunum da ho na wo di sika ba o magye ade bi so o mama MP for so many times na wa gi sika no adi ni ade no wo mbesa wo betua. Wo tua so o betu. Saja o mo gracia ese o de bere wo mo. Afanyo makin wa ye adwuma yi a MP no no okwa onya no me Samia oku okoye na adwuma yi a wo benya. Maybe Nkansah bodu wa ye na adwuma yi a wo ba amanfo no be kire e wa figya se kire east. Miana mi MP eti maybe Nkansah bodu beba competition. Wo ba na manfo no decide say wo no ne ye pa na ye pa. Obi am protect obi am protect obi. Hey, MPP no. John bodu ne ayi wontumi sha ase on oppose. Ana party na ehya ase ese ye week. E ho na party no ehya ase ese ye week. Hwea na obi amfa sa on oppose sem no ansa ama. Obi amfa ma ye kɔ contest. Ai. E mu be den so. Pound for pound contest. Very healthy competition. Anyway, moving away from that, it was a jebeza bozu where you yenye. Bega chosa matela e kromfo. Omwone ansansa dali. No mu dupin krofo. Me ho so choro nsem hunu. Oni ama misuro ni bi ne wa kamadwane o. Niama misuro wi ase bi ne wa kamadwane. Ye move on. Yentie saade wi.
Within the Katamansu's two boundaries, but because of the officers' affiliation with adverse claimants like Kevin Taylor and his accomplices, they go out for their way to do otherwise. A peculiar case of fraudulent and forceful annexation of Katamansu lands within the Katamansu's two boundaries are as follows. La Elomo and the Okanchu family of La Amanfro, who have schemed to annex a land in the heart of the Pinkwa forest within Katamansu, being grantors of Kevin Taylor and his accomplice, Madam Annie Sansa Dali, the subject matter of discussion. But thanks to the Land Registry Division of the Greater Accra Lands Commission, who connive with these adverse claimants to procure fraudulent title, which authority they are riding on to harass and intimidate genuine grantees on their prospective lands. Let it be clearly stated that no fraudulent document, statutory declaration, or deceitful land title can confer ownership of Katamansu's two lands to anyone if same was not granted to them by the Katamansu's two. No individual, entity, or media personality, regardless of location, has immunity from the laws of the Republic of Ghana. So Kevin Taylor must tread cautiously, for the road he is treading on is very dark and slippery, for his campaign against the Katamansu's two has been so obvious. We urge Kevin Taylor to conduct his work with the professionalism journalism demands, and that freedom of expression does not extend to dissemination of falsehood and reputational harm.
The Katamansu for you can you say, Wamuse Kevin Taylor, Amatela, in fact, Amatela ne a year fake doctor and Sansa Dali. Or Marco procure fraudulent documents. Our Modia Baba Jane Sase. Ewo Pinkwa Forest mu. Omo ene a lands commission for na kunabe. And you see, I told you in the past about this guy, this criminal. Say, over the period, anytime bomus were attacking institution bia, and I don't know attacking lands commission or attacking lands commission or attack. Anytime this guy is attacking any institution or state, it means this guy just want to have his way and the people are not allowing. It's in a war attacking or more. So according to a Katamanso traditional council, Kevin Amatela, any Ansansa Dali, the doctor girlfriend and Becca once some time ago, fake doctor no. Omonko you omoda so top. So yama jomama mera. They wanted power to come and met out criminality on innocent people. And this is not me saying. This is a traditional council of Katamanso. It's yama jomama mera. I'm fighting for the people. I'm fighting for the people. Said about on the fraudulent document. Eba kwajin krofon sase. Amatela. To what America hana and Sansa no Ghana and one ebuano mani ye nioma. Say ja odi a fake certificate by ya expose you a kofa and samba you know. He said we retreated to the background. And a war representing Kevin Taylor more ye nioma ewo eye Ghana ho. Ejim krofon sase wo Ghana ho. Mobeka ye mrebi kwasi ampani we kwasi atoyi ebe ka kire mo se me kwa Afrifa megije nkrofo nsase se eno no na epe kwan abegije nkrofo nsase. And I've told you over time that this guy projects onto others what actually is him. It will be nkrofo nsase. According to Katamanso traditional council wako fake a document wako forge document from lands commission. And what they have man for terrorizing man for. If it's a Mahama Abayaba. Now Mahama Abayama, what is a Kevin Taylor Sigana or terrorizing Kofo Joe Mosa Sibida? Mahama Abayano Emma, you know. What is a Kevin Taylor and Sansa Dali etimia terrorizing? So now Mahama Mayano a means of so mube usual and they are terrorizing Kofo a fake document and they are Jim Kofo Sasi. When they are no fighting for no. May fight for Ghana, may fight for the freedom, may fight Akufo Addo Nkona John, mere Akufo Addo Nkona John mre ni nyina chese. No opetumi a wadi besi sinkrofo adwo monsase. Amatela. And if you believed that this criminal or turfo nipa wan kanu kuro wiase. Nipa wan kanu kure. Say o set trap me kura ne ho ya. Me trap bia bese metom bia metom. Me metu o test me abenyame. Ebi se me nsuro Udwan minsuro me ba wiase nipa memmu ni ba kokora minsuro ni ewo nipa memfa ne nya ebrodua kora ntwimeto eyewo Isranka Awurade say lawsuit no ade bi koto Ghana 4 years ago no ebi na ade ba America ha I have a good standing to stand in front of me am defend me ko follow yakora udwan akọ faking sa say me yeka so what is sisi manfo na ji omo nsase enna bra be yia no joma mra na joma bo anyina ne se na woni fake doctor and Sansa Deli mo petumi e de awia manfo no awia manfo ne nsase asisi manfo no enye me na meka muntie
Rololo mi kele ne na neli ake hene yi okeba aye keba je Katamanso bi Ekefioniye, Nwa traditional council, Ekefioniye, Awo, Atowo, Anawo, Namia, Ewebanye Ekefe mefe, Shibo, Eshingwa. That is the warning we are giving him. Kevin Taylor, I know you are very.
That is a warning we are giving him, Kevin Taylor. Taylor, Bolabet. Tiyama kwama jomama mre nyina ne se wo pese jomama ba na onya tumi di sisi nkrofo ji omonsas nyesa we ni yensisa ban nyina no enie na me se obema bre na mframa bebo ama akokoto ada ho obema bre na mframa bɛbɔ ama akokɔto ada hɔ ebi na ɛba no bɛka kyerɛ mo mmerɛ tenten sɛ akoa no wɔnka no korɛ wɔyɛ criminal na adwene da ntirimoni adwene papa sɛde wɔsi twa toro fitaa wiase sɛde wɔsi twa toro wɔni credibility wɔni integrity one koraa wɔni integrity one wɔni simple integrity afei na brɛ sika wɔde bɛtɔ asase kuro ni bio dede no ano ɔyɛ gyesa no dwoma ama ba ansa na wakɔfɔgye document de akɔsisi nkurɔfoɔ agye wɔn deɛ me rankrafo munye din na aduro nkɔmɔ ho akwa wei ɛyɛ ni ade no odidi manfoɔ twa toroto manfoɔ so ni ade munyina nam support no munyina nam support esie ho bɛba kwan ama aboa bia awuramu bi mesi wɔyɛ wudini yɛ kasa obi yɛ wudini a ɔyɛ wudini ankasa efisɛ maame akɔsu abene wa asɛm bi ɔka wɔso wɔtorofo bi akorɔmfo ɔkorɔmfo bi nso yɛ wudini me maame akɔsu abene wa yesu ayɛba adeɛ no wɔkyini yɛ nipa wɔtwa toro to wɔso wɔtorofo bi a wɔkorɔmfo na korɔmfo bi yɛ wudini efisɛ wɔtwa toro no a wɔde kɔbɔ korɔ no nti no wɔtwa toro na ɔbɔ korɔ no no ani ɛbɛkye no ana so odi awu eti wɔyɛ krɔmfo wɔyɛ torofo efisɛ nsɛm a wɔka me ka kyerɛ mo sɛ nsɛm no a wɔka no na akufo ado aban ne ho ayɛ hi eti na bebree no ano manhunu wɔnka no kora wiase baba somo bidede Okatakyie Afrifa mensa mo a mo suffer from Kevinte Lansaro nyina no mo send message or Jamonsa say, I won't send a message or a Facebook. We will give it to our team and our team will verify some of these things and we will expose him. The era John Mahama said, one man a crime warriors adianwa. So one man a crime, Emani yes adian, and he's riding at the back of so campaign now. And we didn't see him. But we did not vote for you to come and allow criminals to take the space and do whatever they like with. Bedamunyina masi.
Sebemunya waya mamiya kunya ya fuanemi. Na sememu bageti seya kachia kase. Eradi swasi sabi.
Some George kikan kwasi asem. Arrogant boy. Australia in Nigeria didn't kwasi asem. We dey here in Ghana. We go see. Australia 2 minutes we are not going to Nigeria. 3 days we are not going to Nigeria. We dey here. We go see what he did at Nigeria there. The highest paid person, our land commission, on more than 10,000 Ghana. How? We are talking about one of the most difficult agencies in Ghana, because all these politicians are part of the criminality. And the blockchain and the other boy Fumbia to Tunitrim or Munipa. Australia, Trump, Nigeria. Those people you are dealing with in Nigeria, we will see. You think you are boss, eh? You will work for the people. Obia begun standard. Oh, sorry, and oh, and I'm Madame Echi. We there here.
The advantage going for me is I've seen more demonstrations and strikes in my first 2 years. I don't think it can get worse in the second 2 years. And it is said that when you kill the goat and you frighten it with a knife, it doesn't fear the knife because it's dead already. So I have the dead goat syndrome.
Some George kikan kwasi asem. Arrogant boy. Australia in Nigeria didn't kwasi asem. We dey here in Ghana. We go see. Australia 2 minutes we are not going to Nigeria. 3 days we are not going to Nigeria. We dey here. We go see what he did at Nigeria there. The highest paid person, our land commission, on more than 10,000 Ghana. How? We are talking about one of the most difficult agencies in Ghana, because all these politicians are part of the criminality. And the blockchain and the other boy Fumbia to Tunitrim or Munipa. Australia, Trump, Nigeria.
Those people you are dealing with in Nigeria, we will see. You think you are boss. Some George Kikan arrogant boy. Australia in Nigeria didn't kwasiasem. We dey here in Ghana. We go see. Australia 2 minutes we are not going Nigeria. 3 days we are not going Nigeria. We dey here. We go see what he did at Nigeria there. The highest paid person, our lands commission, on more than 10,000 Ghana. How? We are talking about one of the most difficult agencies in Ghana, because all these politicians are part of the criminality. Some George can some George can arrogant boy. Australia in Nigeria didn't kwasiasem. We dey here in Ghana. We go see. Australia 2 minutes we are not going Nigeria. 3 days we are not going Nigeria. We dey here. We go see what he did at Nigeria there. The highest paid person, our lands commission, on more than 10,000 Ghana. How? We are talking about one of the most difficult agencies in Ghana, because all these politicians are part of the criminality. Some George can kwasiasem and the blockchain and the other boy fumbia to the trim omunipa. Australia Trump no Nigeria. Those people you are dealing with in Nigeria, we will see. You think you are boss, eh? You will work for the people. Obia begun standard. Oh sorry, na oh she and I'm Madam Echi. We dey here.
The advantage going for me is I've seen more demonstrations and strikes in my first 2 years. I don't think it can get worse in the second 2 years. And it is said that when you kill the goat and you frighten it with a knife, it doesn't fear the knife because it's dead already. So I have the dead goat syndrome.
Some George can kwasiasem arrogant boy. Australia in Nigeria didn't kwasiasem. We dey here in Ghana. We go see. Australia 2 minutes we are not going Nigeria. 3 days we are not going Nigeria. We dey here. We go see what he did at Nigeria there. The highest paid person, our lands commission, on more than 10,000 Ghana. How? We are talking about one of the most difficult agencies in Ghana, because all these politicians are part of the criminality. Some George can
Ebenezer, pick the duster from my chair. Ebenezer, put the duster under my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Give the duster to Nana. Nana, come and put it on my chair. Good. Pick the duster from my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Remove the duster from my bag. Put the duster under my chair. You are laughing. Then I put the duster on my chair. Pick the duster from my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Pick the duster from my chair. Put the duster under my chair. You don't know. All right, let me teach you. This is under. Here. Here is
arrogant boy. Australia in Nigeria didn't kwasi. We day here in Ghana. We go see. Australia 2 minutes we are not going Nigeria. 3 days we are not going Nigeria. We day here. We go see what he did at Nigeria there. The highest paid person, our land commission, on more than 10,000 Ghana. How? We are talking about one of the most some George Kikan Kwasiasem, arrogant boy. Australia in Nigeria didn't Kwasiasem. We day here in Ghana. We go see. Australia 2 minutes we are not going Nigeria. 3 days we are not going Nigeria. We day here. We go see what he did at Nigeria there. The highest paid person, our land commission, on more than 10,000 Ghana. How? We are talking about one of the most difficult agencies in Ghana, because all these politicians are part of the criminality. And the blockchain and the other boy Fumbia to the trim or Munipa. Australia, Nigeria. Those people you are dealing with in Nigeria, we will see. You think you are boss, eh? You will work for the people. Obia begun standard. Oh sorry, na oh she. And I'm Madam Echi. We there here. Some George Kikan Kwasiasem, arrogant boy. Australia in Nigeria didn't Kwasiasem. We there here in Ghana. We go see. Australia 2 minutes we are not going Nigeria. 3 days we are not going Nigeria. We there here. We go see what he did at Nigeria there. The highest paid person, our land commission, on more than 10,000 Ghana. How? We are talking about one of the most difficult agencies in Ghana, because all these politicians are part of the criminality.
The advantage going for me is I've seen more demonstrations and strikes in my first 2 years. I don't think it can get worse in the second 2 years. And it is said that when you kill the goat and you frighten it with a knife, it doesn't fear the knife because it's dead already. So I have the dead goat syndrome.
Some George Kikan Kwasiasem, arrogant boy. Australia in Nigeria didn't Kwasiasem. We there here in Ghana. We go see. Australia 2 minutes we are not going Nigeria. 3 days we are not going Nigeria. We there here. We go see what he did at Nigeria there. The highest paid person, our land commission, on more than 10,000 Ghana. How? We are talking about one of the most difficult agencies in Ghana, because all these politicians are part of the criminality. And the blockchain and the other boy Fumbia to the trim or Munipa. Australia, Nigeria. Those people you are dealing with in Nigeria, we will see. You think you are boss, eh? You will work for the people. Obia begun standard.
Ebenezer, pick the duster from my chair. Ebenezer, put the duster under my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Give the duster to Nana. Nana, come and put it on my chair. Good. Pick the duster from my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Remove the duster from my bag. Put the duster under my chair. You're laughing. Then I put the duster on my chair. Pick the duster from my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Pick the duster from my chair. Put the duster under. Ebenezer, pick the duster from my chair. Ebenezer, put the duster under my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Give the duster to Nana. Nana, come and put it on my chair. Good. Pick the duster from my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Remove the duster from my bag. Put the duster under my chair. You are laughing. Nana, put the duster on my chair. Pick the duster from my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Pick the duster from my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Ebenezer, pick the duster from my chair.
Oh, sorry, I'm not. Oh, some George Nkansah, arrogant boy. Oh, sorry, I'm in Nigeria. Nkansah, we dey here in Ghana. We go see. Oh, sorry, 2 minutes we are not going Nigeria. 3 days we are not going Nigeria. We dey here. We go see what he did at Nigeria there. The highest paid person, our land commission, on more than 10,000 Ghana. How? We are talking about one of the most difficult agencies in Ghana, because all these politicians are part of the criminality. And the blockchain and the other boy Fulia to Tunitrim or Munipa. Oh, sorry, Nigeria. Those people you are dealing with in Nigeria, we will see. You think you are boss, eh?
The advantage going for me is I've seen more demonstrations and strikes in my first 2 years. I don't think it can get worse.
Ebenezer, put the duster under my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Give the duster to Nana. Nana, come and put it on my chair. Good. Pick the duster from my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Remove the duster from my bag. Put the duster under my chair. You are laughing. Nana, put the duster on my chair. Pick the duster from my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Pick the duster from my chair. Put the duster under my chair. You don't know. All right, let me teach you. This is under. Here. Ebenezer, pick the duster from my chair. Ebenezer, put the duster under my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Give the duster to Nana. Nana, come and put it on my chair. Good. Pick the duster from my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Remove the duster from my bag. Put the duster under my chair. You are laughing. Then I put the duster on my chair. Pick the duster from my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Pick the duster from my chair. Put the duster under my chair. You don't know. All right, let me teach you. This is under. Here. Here.
For the people. Obia some George Nkansah arrogant boy. Australia in Nigeria didn't Nkansah. We dey here in Ghana. We go see. Australia 2 minutes we are not going Nigeria. 3 days we are not going Nigeria. We dey here. We go see what he did at Nigeria there. The highest paid person our land commission on more than 10,000 Ghana. How? We are talking about one of the most difficult agencies in Ghana. Because all these politicians are part of the criminality. Omo kahuno mu wiansa no. Kwate Sam George Nkansah and the blockchain and the other boy Fumbia to Tunitrim Omunipa. Australia Trump no Nigeria. Those people you are dealing with in Nigeria, we will see. You think you are boss, eh? You will work for the people. Obia begun standard. Oh sorry, na oh she. And Mesha Madam Echi. We dey here. Some George Nkansah arrogant boy. Australia in Nigeria didn't Nkansah. We dey here in Ghana. We go see. Australia 2 minutes we are not going Nigeria. 3 days we are not going Nigeria. We dey here. We go see what he did at Nigeria there. The highest paid person our land commission on more than 10,000 Ghana. How? We are talking about one of the most difficult agencies in Ghana. Because all these politicians are part of the criminality. Omo kahuno mu wiansa no. Kwate Sam George Nkansah and the blockchain
in the second 2 years. And it is said that when you kill the goat and you frighten it with a knife, it doesn't fear the knife because it's dead already. So I have the dead goat syndrome.
Other boy Fumbia to Tunitrim Omunipa. Some George Nkansah arrogant boy. Australia in Nigeria didn't Nkansah. We dey here in Ghana. We go see. Australia 2 minutes we are not going Nigeria. 3 days we are not going Nigeria. We dey here. We go see what he did at Nigeria there. The highest paid person our land commission on more than 10,000 Ghana. How? We are talking about one of the most difficult agencies in Ghana. Because all these politicians are part of the criminality. Omo kahuno mu wiansa no. Kwate Sam George Nkansah and the blockchain and the other boy Fumbia to Tunitrim Omunipa. Australia Trump no Nigeria. Those people you are dealing with in Nigeria, we will see. You think you are boss, eh? You will work for the people. Obia begun standard. Oh sorry, na oh she. And Mesha Madam Echi. We dey here. Some George Nkansah arrogant boy. Australia in Nigeria didn't Nkansah. We dey here in Ghana. We go see. Australia 2 minutes we are not going Nigeria. 3 days we are not going Nigeria. We dey here. We go see what he did at Nigeria there. The highest paid person our land commission on more than 10,000 Ghana. How? We are talking about one of the most difficult agencies in Ghana. Because all these politicians are part of the criminality. Omo kahuno mu wiansa no. Kwate Sam George Nkansah and the blockchain and the other boy Fumbia to Tunitrim Omunipa. Australia Trump no Nigeria. Those people you are dealing with in Nigeria, we will see. You think you are boss, eh? You will work for the people. Obia begun standard. Oh, sorry, and oh, and I'm Madame Echi. We there here. Some George Nkansah, arrogant boy. Australia in Nigeria didn't Nkansah. We there here in Ghana. We go see. Australia 2 minutes we are not going Nigeria. 3 days we are not going Nigeria. We there here. We go see what he did at Nigeria there. The highest paid person, our land commission, on more than 10,000 Ghana. How? We are talking about one of the most difficult agencies in Ghana. Because all these politicians are part of the criminality. And the blockchain and the other boy fully to the trim or munipa. Australia, Trump, no Nigeria. Those people you are dealing with in Nigeria, we will see. You think you are boss, eh? You will work for the people. Obia begun standard. Oh, sorry, and oh, and I'm Madame Echi. We there here.
Ebenezer, pick the duster from my chair. Ebenezer, put the duster under my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Give the duster to Nana. Nana, come and put it on my chair. Good. Pick the duster from my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Remove the duster from my bag. Put the duster under my chair. You are laughing. Then I put the duster on my chair. Pick the duster from my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Pick the duster from my chair. Put the duster under my chair. You don't know. All right.
The advantage going for me is I've seen more demonstrations and strikes in my first 2 years. I don't think it can get worse in the second 2 years. And it is said that when you kill the goat and you frighten it with a knife, it doesn't fear the knife because it's dead already. So I have the dead goat syndrome.
Some George Nkansah, arrogant boy. Australia in Nigeria didn't Nkansah. We there here in Ghana. We go see. Australia 2 minutes we are not going Nigeria. 3 days we are not going Nigeria. We there here. We go see what he did at Nigeria there. The highest paid person, our land commission, on more than 10,000 Ghana. How? We are talking about one of the most difficult agencies in Ghana. Because all these politicians are part of the criminality. And the blockchain and the other boy fully to the trim or munipa. Australia, Trump, no Nigeria. Those people you are dealing with in Nigeria, we will see. You think you are boss, eh? You will work for the people. Obia begun standard. Oh, sorry, and oh, and I'm Madame Echi. We there here.
Teach you. This is under. Here. Here is. Ebenezer, pick the duster from my chair. Ebenezer, put the duster under my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Give the duster to Nana. Nana, come and put it on my chair. Good. Pick the duster from my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Put the duster under my chair. Remove the duster from my bag. Put the duster under my chair.
Abuofunu, John Mahama chop president, you can't chop minister. Yanyan kwasi adwuma na obedi minister ba di ma. One criminal, I hate to see him. Me pese me hu n'anim kura. His name is Apak. He is the deputy education minister. Well, when you know, minimum contact John Mahama Krama appointment. They don't like John Mahama. People like they don't like John Mahama. They are bad people. Or to back parliament and all your business. He knows all the corruption happening. Onim krono mu bonyina Apak way. He encouraged Kingsley Agyemang to do what he did. Apak, almost friend Apak, Papa way. He has no shame, no credibility. And he, me see, my year Juma, I mean the documents are brand. I need to go into such chat where I check. Let me go. Me charge ya. Thank you very much, team. Thank you so much. Me team need the video now, but my member one na mon kaimo. Na me mamu a story where I yada. So if John Mahama is saying they should open investigations, sir, it is true. Anyway, this is the story we did. Story Nenye. Thank you very much, team. Thank you for bringing it in. Because Monje kakra, kwasi afuo, money to Ghana. Politics ni business na moye. Me se wa obet try say obet say John Mahama no. O de obedi nka akwa me. Anything. And on your park in our parliament, on your colleagues, and he's sleeping with a pack. They are gaying themselves. They are gaying themselves. 2022 na me story and the President Mahama say yembie investigations. Modi amopa amonko Europe nyina. Modi amon check omu nyina. Oh, videos in there me team no. Now let me play guy na. Thank you very much, Mr. S. Guy na one eye sa Kingsley Agyemang we ebo krono no. We actually interviewed the guy on my show 2022. Guy no nie. Hwe, Moji say, "Anyway, this guy now on some George Kikan Kwasiasem, arrogant boy. Australia in Nigeria didn't Kwasiasem. We day here in Ghana. We go see. Australia 2 minutes we are not going Nigeria. 3 days we are not going Nigeria. We day here. We go see what he did at Nigeria there. The highest paid person, our lands commission, on more than 10,000 Ghana. How? We are talking about one of the most difficult agencies in Ghana. Because all these politicians are part of the criminality. And the blockchain and the other boy Fulia to Tunitrim or Munipa. Or sorry, Nigeria. Those people you are dealing with in Nigeria, we will see. You think you are boss, eh? You will work for the people.